Welcome to Koala Chainsaw. Today we're diving into the world of modern wood splitters. Machines so advanced, they're practically the rock stars of the lumber industry. With cutting-edge hydraulic technology and smart automation systems, these marvels of engineering are as fast as lightning and as powerful as a sumo wrestler slicing through wood with ease. Get ready to witness a revolution in the woodworking world, where every split feels like a perfectly choreographed dance. This is innovation that will leave you amazed, smiling, and maybe even laughing at just how effortlessly these machines get the job done. This modern wood splitter is the true action star of any workshop, packed with features that deserve all the praise. It's powerful yet easy to operate, ready to take on any challenge like an unstoppable force. Imagine a machine that doesn't just work, but performs, splitting long logs into perfect pieces in just a matter of seconds. The Smart Splitter Wedge allows it to handle different wood sizes effortlessly, while the sturdy frame is built tough to tackle even the most demanding tasks. It's like having a strong, reliable partner, ready to face anything head-on. And guess what? Despite its strength, this machine is incredibly user-friendly, operating smoothly like it's dancing. This is the perfect choice for any workshop looking to boost efficiency. A machine that doesn't just split wood, but also handles every job with ease. Fun, efficient, and impressively powerful. Welcome to our high-performance program, where we'll take a closer look at this unique wood-cutting machine, capable of processing up to 3,200 logs per hour. Yes, it works at lightning speed, turning each log into perfect pieces in just seconds. But don't worry, its speed doesn't compromise safety, like a skilled acrobat moving gracefully between sharp blades. This automatic saw isn't just fast, it ensures that each log is cut to the exact size you need. It's like a master chef slicing each piece of wood as if preparing a perfectly crafted dish. It's the perfect combination of speed and precision, helping you conquer every task with ease, efficiency, and a touch of joy. Nothing beats cutting wood without having to step outside, and this unique wood-cutting machine combines the power of a front-loader excavator with a super sharp saw blade. Its creative design efficiently handles large logs, though achieving peak performance requires some skill and patience. Once you get the hang of it, the cutting process is smooth and surprisingly simple. The high-speed cuts create significant torque and friction, giving the machine incredible strength. Just place the log close, give it a light push, and the wood will immediately split in two, a sight that never gets old. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on the next exciting moment. This video truly captures the grit and skill it takes to be a lumber truck driver. Watching the images of these massive trucks hauling full loads of timber across unforgiving roads, covered in mud, snow, and potholes, makes every mile feel like a battle. It's not just about driving. It's a high-stakes game of balance, where the driver must maintain control while navigating through treacherous terrain. The jolts, the slippery paths, and the roar of the engine create a symphony of risk and resilience. Each turn of the wheel on those brutal roads is a test of endurance, not just for the truck, but for the person behind the wheel. Sometimes, there's even a touch of humor in how they handle unexpected challenges, like they've become seasoned veterans at riding the beast and taming it with sheer skill. It's more than just a job. It's a journey of perseverance, where strength and technique meet the adrenaline rush of the unknown at every turn. The sawmill, a name that carries both pride and a stark reminder of the raw power of yesteryears, when technology was far simpler, but its strength undeniable. It's like a fascinating beast, both intimidating and captivating, tearing through wood with relentless efficiency. Exposed parts, each crude component combining to create something extraordinary, a testament to the ingenuity of older techniques. No need for any additional tools or parts. It thrives entirely on repurposed materials from old farming machinery, delivering impressive results. The ability to saw through logs up to 13 centimeters in diameter. It's like magic from the past. With just one strong pull, a pile of large timber appears instantly, neatly stacked. Though it may seem old and worn, it remains essential, always ready to assist in every harvest season. The sawmill, a wonder of ancient craftsmanship, a gentle reminder that with wood, power must be respected. A smile, a firm tug on the handle, and all the wood you need is at your fingertips. Joyful, lightly humorous, like a story from long ago, simple to grasp but leaves a lasting impression. Through the screen, I watch intently as the skilled logger moves with precision. Each cut is strong, yet perfectly controlled, like the deliberate strokes of an artist painting on the canvas of nature. The sound of the saw slicing through the wood echoes loudly, and with every motion, branches slowly lean and then fall to the ground. The scene fills me with a mix of anticipation and delight, as if each cut represents a conversation between man and nature. The thick branches, rough bark, and leaves drifting down gently seem like pieces of a larger, living puzzle coming together. I feel a sense of joy as I witness the precision and finesse of the logger's technique. Each stroke of the saw a part of a deliberate and artistic process. The branches tumble with force but also grace, as if they are telling a story of change, movement, and the passage of time. I can't look away, completely engrossed in the unfolding scene. I feel a sense of satisfaction as I watch the branches fall one by one, marveling at the skilled craftsmanship. Each cut, Each falling branch brings a sense of accomplishment, as though I'm witnessing a performance where strength and patience merge into something beautifully powerful. Oh, this truck has been working for so many years. It looks old and worn, with its paint peeling and parts starting to rust, but it still keeps going strong, faithfully by the driver's side on every timber project. It's more than just a vehicle. It's like a trusted companion, tough and reliable on those rugged, challenging roads. Just like an experienced duo, they don't need to be flashy. They have everything they need to keep moving forward. I just hope the driver stays healthy, so they can keep working together, facing the obstacles ahead. After everything this truck has done, it deserves many more years of hard work alongside its driver on these tough, demanding journeys. Bad things can happen if you don't prepare yourself properly. Nature is incredibly powerful, like a force you can't control, always ready to throw challenges your way. Life can feel like a slippery road with potholes and obstacles. One wrong step, and everything can quickly spiral out of control. It's important to be ready, like those professional drivers navigating tough terrain, always looking ahead and preparing for whatever comes next. Don't find yourself wandering blindly in the middle of a situation, unsure of the way out. Stay cautious, stay safe, and remember that safety isn't something you hope for, it's something you actively create. Life is full of surprises, and being prepared is the key to facing whatever comes your way. Thank you all for taking your precious time to watch the video and show your support. Every view, every kind word from you is such a big motivation that drives me to keep creating and improving content. I hope you'll leave some messages and honest feedback to help me grow and make content that better suits your needs. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video. Wishing you all good health, happiness, and all the best in life.